Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Canon MegaTank G3470, and now I'm gonna show you how to use web services, how to enable web services on this device. So firstly, you should click Cloud on Canon Print application. Allow this one, Canon collects and user information. And the second one, you don't need to agree the short agreements, and click Allow. Wait a while. Here click I agree to terms of use. Click Next. Okay, we should select two agreements. So choose your time zone. We can use UTC Universal Time. Click Done. Click OK. And cool, that's it. Now we can connect our device to the Google Drive, and for example on your Google account you'll have print button, and even if you are in another country, in another city, not in home or in office, so you can print just using this feature. You can configure it all, for example disable or enable printed features. For example, I like to print from Evernote, so I will log in with Evernote. For example, now I'm going to show you how to log in with Evernote. Wait a while. Now I'm just logging in by, maybe not by Google, I can log in using my email or password, so wait a while. So cool. Then you will have, if you want to, for example, connect Evernote, so then you will have authorizing screen. So here you should authorize it for time, for example, for 1 week or for 1 day or for a year. Then click authorize. And cool. Now we can print and scan using our Evernote, and it's really cool. So for example, I can print using my document, my notes and data. So of course this printer now will be visible on your Evernote application or on your Google Drive application. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.